Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and beautiful February day. Went from 70-degree temperatures to a huge snowstorm yesterday. And we're going to let the animals out. And we had more surprises last night. You saw the videos of the babies that we had. Well, we had more and more. We have way too many baby goats right now. So we're going to start out with these guys. Pretty they got pretty much room in a lot of room in the pen here because all the mamas we've got in our nursery right now. This is pretty much all our boys except for one. Horses are up in the wood line. Hi, mamas. It's chilly out, but we've had 9 babies just in the last 24 hours. Hey, buddy. Ready to bring them some food in. Got some floppy-eared ones. Squatch, you don't need to be out here. Squatch, come on. And we'll go let the birds out. And we're going to get some food to these mamas. Come on, guys. Squatch, come on. The joys of having a lab puppy. Sasquatch, come on. You're a pain in my butt, you know that? Going to chicken house. Everybody had a good night in here. Geese and ducks are loving this weather for some reason. Hey guys. Got Midge the pigeon on a nest. Couple of eggs. Hey guys. Good morning. I've got a duck egg down here. Any of them on the ground I try to pick up just so the dogs don't come in and eat them until I can get them in the house. Hey guys. Walk out to the peafowl pen. Man, I was getting so much work done, and then this snow hit from out of nowhere. It was not fun. Hey guys. Come on, Tucker, you want in? Come on, boy. Come on, Tucker. All right. We got the ladies up top. Morning, ladies. Our big boy Maui. All right, now let's get some food and go in and let's take a look at Mama and the babies. to our nursery and get the door open. Morning, ladies and little ones. And unfortunately, when you have food, goats want the food so bad they won't let you put it down. Oh, there we go. Hey, guys. Try to load that up. All right, and here we go. A little one. Got some droopy ears ones. It's a little chilly out here, guys, I know. All right. All right. 9 babies all together in 24 hours. These guys. Of course, we got these two. These little ones back here. Hey, guys. Come here, little one. Hi. You over here with your brother or sister? Somehow every litter was twins pretty much, except for one. Except for one male and one female. Hey, little one. It's our most recent one. We're going to start warming up here in just a little bit. And a couple of days, it's supposed to be back in the 70s, so. Some puppies not happy to be left out. Guys. Alright, we're going to leave you all alone for right now. We'll be out in a little bit. Send you all out in the pasture.